Oh my goodness. Ah, shoot. 7.5-month-old pup. This is when it gets fun. Here are a few clips from some of my hunts this year. The first half is just of my adult female Andi, and the last half includes Andi and a very young dog of mine, a setter male I call Goose. Please stay to the end because you can watch Goose transform from a dog with no wild bird experience to one that actually starts to understand what it's all about. Wow, that was a long shot. Andi, dead bird! Dead, come on Andi. No, Andi, over here, let's go. Come on, dead. Is that it? Well, get him. Come on, fetch him up. Get him, sweetie. Andi, come here. Oh my goodness. Andi, come here. Oh my goodness. Come here, come here, come here. Hold. Good girl. Hold. Good girl. Give. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hen bird. All right. Way to go, girl. Andi, fetch it up. Come here. Good girl. Oh my goodness. Come here, sweetie. Come here. Andi, come here. Come here. Good girl. Give. Oh my goodness. Good girl. All right, let's go. Looks like a covey of quail. Oh my goodness. I crippled that bird. Oh my goodness. This is probably that crippled bird because I can't believe that they would only light this far. Come on, Andi, let's go get it. Come on, get him, get him, get him. For real? You still pointing dead? Come on, let's go. Andi, get that bird. Come on, sweetie. Let's go, get him. Get him, dear. You got it? Andi, come here. Andi, come here. Oh, you're tricky. Come here, sweetheart. Good girl. Hold. Good girl. Give. Oh, a cockbird finally. This is going to be a single from that covey, and I'm about 75 yards from where I just found that crippled bird. There she is. Might be more than one here. Gosh. Missed that one.
pointed, 39 yards. Birds may come up before I see her. There they went. I heard one, two, three.
A few minutes later.
Well, looks like I landed in the middle of where they lit to. These are early season birds. These birds are no more than 50 yards from where I originally flushed them.
I am much more interested in dogs having opportunities to point birds than I am bringing dead birds home, or otherwise I might have killed a triple there with those birds coming up staggered like they did.
This is a single out of that last covey. Ah, shoot. No excuse on this one, Andy. Bird actually went down. Come on, dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. You got him? Come here, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. Come here. Oh my goodness. Good girl. Oh my goodness. Good girl. Another hen bird. All right, let's go. Oh! That's not her fault.
Watch this again and see if you don't agree. She actually plants her foot and then the bird pops on its own.
Hey.
I was expecting these birds to get up at any moment because she'd already pointed several times in this vicinity.
Killed that one. Come on, fetch it up. Andy, come here. Good girl. Good girl. Give. All right, good girl. We got there. Young hen bird. "90 feet. Oh boy. There they went. There they went. Come on, dead bird. There it is, dead. Come on, no, dead. There it is. Come on, get him, girl. Get, all right. Come here. Good girl. Come here, sweetie. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Gift. Oh my goodness. Good girl.
I realize that the pointing style of any dog will vary based on when and where and maybe how the dog comes in contact with the scent of game, but Andi runs the gamut from looking awesome to flagging.
You can. Good job, Andi. There they went. Every 2 feet. There she is. Oh boy, she's got these dead right. Fudge. Andi's around here somewhere. I don't see her. Supposedly I'm within 20 feet of her. Oh, there she is.
If the wind isn't blowing, I can actually hear my collar's tone button, so I'm now using it as a close proximity beeper.
I need an open choke. Maybe I got lucky. Come on, dead bird! Andi, dead bird! Dead? Dead? All right! Come here, sweetheart. Come here. Oh my goodness. You did it. Good girl. Yes. All right. Good girl. Good girl. We did it. Fetch it up. Andi, come here. Good girl. Come here. Right here. Come here. Andi, come here. Good girl. Hold. Hold. Good girl. Give. Cockbird. All right. Good girl. Way to go, dummy. Andi, close in here. Andi, get on in here. Close. Come on, hunt close.
Through training, when I say hunt close, Andi knows there's a high probability of a bird being in the area.
Fudge.
Everybody has to decide how much they're going to allow young dogs to get away with during their first season, but I'm usually going to err on the side of keeping things fun, as long as it doesn't appear that my pointer is becoming a flusher.
You got your snoot full, huh, Goose? There she is. I really want to kill this bird bad. Get him! Get him! And I don't think I did. Way to go, Goose! Way to go, buddy! Seven-and-a-half-month-old pup. This is when it gets fun. Judge, I'm calling that a back. fudge. Way to go, guys. Way to go, bird dogs. What are you doing?
I don't know why Andi left this point, but because she did, I would normally pass up this opportunity to shoot.
2, 3, 4. We got a conservation officer checking my car, and I have a dog on point. Which I'm not gonna shoot.
I'm not sure. I apologize.
No, it's all right.
We'll clear out of here, sir.
Okay, good. Hey, good talking to you guys.
Absolutely, you too.
All righty, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Nothing like a covey of birds to excite a young dog.
Before the season, I worked Goose lightly on pigeons and launchers, both pointing and backing, but I stopped as soon as it looked like he was starting to understand because I knew that wild birds would be a much better teacher and the season was just a month or two away.
Fellas, this is pretty. Well, I was going to say the little one may want to... I missed that one. I was going to say the little one may want to go. The young one may want to go when I go. Good job, guys. Oh, there they go, there they go. Shoot. Went in the woods. Could get him in for a back, but I'll go ahead and hopefully kill this bird. How's that possible? We'll see if I can't get Goose in for a back. Goose!
This not only gets Goose in on the action, but there's the safety aspect of it too when you know where all your dogs are.
I think the little ditch there helped. Let's go. Come on, get it, Andi, get it. Let's go. He's here. Let's go. Dude, I don't know if you know what you're doing, but I'm having fun. Nah. Do you know what you're doing? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Good job, Goose. Good job, buddy. Goose, come here. Fetch him up. Goose, come here, pal. Goose, fetch him up.
Goose's first cubby find.
Goose, my man. Good job, Goose. Come on, dead bird. Andy, dead in here. Guys, you know this is that bird I shot.
Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already done
Come on,
so,
let's go.
please
There
like,
he is.
subscribe, and hit the notification
I
bell,
told you.
as it really does help the channel.